Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you all how to make another type of slime, and it's going to be clear slime, or y'all can, hold on, or y'all can, just use the white orange glue, but I'm going to be using clear, so I'm going to be using clear glue. The materials you'll be needing is clear glue, or white orange glue, some Tide, is blue. I have it in a clear bottle too, because I'm just starting to do it. I'm going to be mixing in this bowl. And I do make slime in here. Well, I make slime because there's some black in there. So, this bowl. And mixing with this spoon. Pin. So let's get straight. And I'm going to be coloring my slime with this paint. Hold on. This Apple Barrel paint that I used a lot, and it's almost done. I have a little slime in there. So let's get on to making this YouTube video. Let's go. The first thing you'll be needing to pull out is your bowl, and you'll need to open your glue. And I'm actually not going to use blue Tide. I'm going to go and get my clear Tide. And I'll be right back. Okay, I got my clear Tide. It looks blue, but it's clear. I can see it's clear. Look, let me get some real quick. You see how clear it's clear? It's just the color of the top. So I got clear and I got blue. So and then what you're going to do is if you want to add color, you can add your color. But I'm going to mix it up so I can have some air bubbles. Okay, there. I got all these air bubbles. And I'm going to add my color. Oh shoot, look at that. Ooh! Okay. There. I want like a pink. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna mix it. You see my pink. Now you're going to add a pinch of blue. I'm going to add a pinch of blue in the middle of this clear. And then you're going to pour it in. You don't have to add that stuff. You can just add whatever. And I'm going to be using this top to not add a lot. So. See, it's turning into slime already. Okay, let's mix for now. Okay, this looks about done. Not done, like it's about in the daytime. It will turn pokey and stretchy. Just knead it, and I'll be right back with this video when I'm done kneading this slime. Okay guys, I kneaded it and pokey, and it's really stretchy and swirly. And my bowl does have more Tide, so I'm just going to add it back. I'm going to get all my leftover slime, because I have a lot of leftover slime. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like this video. And turn on my notification. And I will be posting a video in a minute, another video. Thank you for watching, if you did watch, because I know a lot of people don't watch our videos. So please like this video or dislike this video. Please subscribe. And I don't get no subscribers, so I'm talking to myself because I never get any views. So bye. I'm about to make one more video, and it's going to be another slime, but it's going to be a different type of slime that nobody's ever tried to make up. So go watch that, and I will be back in 5 minutes. Bye.